I've built a personal assistant. It does 70 to 80% of my work. What I do, mostly talk to it. In this video, I'll show you what it does, how it works, and how helpful it is in my daily life.
So before we start this video, hi, I'm Muhammad Yaseen Shahid. I help businesses cut operational costs, reduce error, increase ROI, and grow faster using AI. If you want to see real practical AI in action for your business, like this video and subscribe so you never miss any update.
So this is my personal assistant Drew. I built it on Claude Code. Let's talk to him and see what he know about me, and let's do a few tasks with him. Hey Drew, who I am. So it says you are Muhammad Yaseen Shahid, solo founder, building MYS and AI consultancy from scratch, based in Karachi. So this is my time zone, Karachi, Asia. And right now you're doing everything yourself, like sales, outreach, content, model building, strategy. So give me new updates or information regarding AI automation industry, or any new models or updates from Anthropic AI or Google Gemini. It is basically web searching. Now make me two posts, one for Claude Open 4.7 drop and second one for Claude Design launch. So make me content for LinkedIn and Instagram, and also give me their images. So here we have post for both ideas, LinkedIn post, Instagram post for Claude Opus 4.1, and LinkedIn post and Instagram post for Claude Design. And these are their images. This one is for Claude Opus 4.1 and that one is for Claude Design. So as you can see, it's stylized based on the content of the image. So now I have a YouTube video ready to upload on YouTube. I will ask Drew to make a title and description which is SEO optimized for YouTube, also LinkedIn and Instagram post for that video. So let's ask him. Hey Drew, I have a new video edited with the name of score report generator or score report generator in my downloads videos folder. Get that, make me its subtitles and also video metadata. So what it will do, it will get its audio, make its transcript which are subtitles, and use that transcript to make the other content. So it has generated subtitles. And using this file, it also generated all other content. Video title for the YouTube, description, LinkedIn post and Instagram post. And also the YouTube title and description are SEO optimized. It basically used the subtitles, and using these it generated keywords, and then using those keywords it generated this description. Now it also helps me in client outreach and sales tasks. So what I will do, I will give it a LinkedIn profile link, and it will scrap its post and other content and tell me how good lead is that person is for me. And it also gives me posts that I should engage on. It also helps me to make personalized connection note. So I will give it my profile link for this video. Hey Claude, go through this profile, its posts, and tell me about this person, who he is, what he does, and if there is any posts that are related to my work in which I should engage in. So as you can see, it figured out that it's my own profile. So do I know that you are right? Thing is, for the sake of this video, I want you to run this profile and consider it as someone else's profile. Help me scrap it, give its content, and tell me what I have already asked you about this person. So there it is. Yaseen Shahid, AI automation consultant based in Lahore, Pakistan. CS graduate from LUMS 2021-2025, one of the Pakistan's top universities. It even gave rank of my university. Well, that's amazing. Spent 7 months in Hexaplex, first as a trainee, then as a automation executive building latent agents for their HR and sales operations. Now solo. So 635 connections, 663 followers, LinkedIn Premium, active poster. What it does: builds AI agents and automation using Net and Claude Code, GPT, Webpick, Play, Airtable, targets startups and SMBs. Positioning is identical to yours, so it gives me like what the person is doing relates to your work or not. So based on what person is doing, can it be your ideal client? So it gives all this. So same tools, same value propositions, obviously. So he's not a lead, he's a peer and a direct competitor in same niche, same market and same tools. It gave me few of my posts. Why engaging at all if he's a competitor? His audience is people interested in AI automation. Commenting with value on this post puts you in front of the same audience. It's not about him, it's about who sees the comment thread. So best post to comment on the onboarding agent video and contract agent both have engagement already, which means LinkedIn is showing them. Drop a short specific comment, not generic praise, something that adds on the conversation. So our contacts window is almost 60% filled, so let's compact it so that I can save my tokens. So our chat is compacted. So let me ask him some more things. Okay, so based on the posts you suggest, give me comments on these posts that I should send, and also give me the post, like what, first tell me like what the posts are really about, then give me the comment that I should give to those on those posts. Well, that's it for now. So it gives a comment with a question and also a comment for 2 more of its posts. Now let's ask him to make a connection note for this person. Now help me to make a connection note for this person. So your contract agent video, solid build. I am working in the same space, native plus Claude stack, mostly sales and operation workflows. Want to connect and follow your work. So the main file is CLAUDE.md, where exist all the directories of other files. The main files that are being used are basically rules, skills, references, and tools. Tools are basically hands of this model, like it has Apify tool for scrapping, ClickUp tool for managing my tasks, Gamma for making proposals. This tool basically converts HTML to PDF. Image generation tool. This tool use prompt to generate the image, and this one use prompt and another image to do the editing in that image. That's Open Router for getting brains, PDF to slide converter, and Whisper for transcribing the audios for YouTube videos, for getting subtitles basically. And skills are the main things that run in order to complete my task. So this skill is post generation skill. It helped me to make posts, model crawlers. Basically it make carousels for posting of models that I built. It generates proposals. This one, it gets the video, separate its audio and transcribe it in order to make the subtitles. And this skill basically use subtitles in order to make YouTube metadata, its description and title, and LinkedIn and Instagram post. So in rules, it has communication style. So in order to communicate with me, it used this style: very casual tone, concise, get to the point fast, bullet points over paragraph, no sugarcoating, no em dashes, no emojis. For external content, like for making YouTube videos, it uses this context. For making description, it uses this one. When it make posts like LinkedIn and Instagram, these are the communication styles that it use. Tone for all external content. For outreach, DMs and proposals, these are the things that it look into in order to make the DMs and proposals. For sales messages, these are the points. So these are my branding assets. These are my brand logos and color palettes and typography that I use. This is my image. So it lands all the outputs in output folder, in that specific folder in the output. And if it founds like a new scale or any other new information, it makes a separate folder for that in the output. So these are the context. So these files include my current priorities, goals, information about me, my team, and the work I'm doing. And the reference folders includes all the information that it requires in order to do the work, but it don't require them all the time. Like for instance, if I need to outreach a client or make proposal for a client, it refers to these files in order to how to communicate them, what to deliver to them. So how it basically works, whenever I give a query or talk to Drew, it goes to CLAUDE.md, which includes all the directories, where all the information lies, which directories includes what information. And if it's a general query, it answers it on its own. And if it needs to refer some file or go to some file, extract some content, it goes to Claude, check for the reference files or my context files and extract them. And if I ask Drew to do a task, it goes to CLAUDE.md, then it checks for the skill file required for the task, then it goes to that skill file, and using that skill file, it performs all the steps. Then it gets that specific reference file, and if it needs to call any tool, then it basically calls that tool, and all that information lies in the skill. And this env file includes all the credentials and connections with my accounts, like my Airtable account, my ClickUp account, Nathan, Google accounts, OpenRouter, Fair, Key, Whisper, Tably, Gamma, Apify, and all other accounts. So how helpful it is? It knows who I am. It doesn't just advise, it executes based on my work and code. Normal models like Gemini and Claude or GPT, they just communicate with us, advise us, and tell us how to do it. It basically does my work. It already knows who I am, what I am doing, what are my goals. So it executes things and asks me or communicate with me accordingly. It is connected to all of my tools. I just talk to it and it does almost all the work on those tools. It gets smarter the longer I use it. So as I talk to it, it updates its rules, context, communication style, which makes it more robust and fine-tuned for my tasks. So it's a one assistant that does almost every job. So content creation, posting, SEO optimization, client outreach, engagement on my social medias.
If your business is losing time and money to inefficiencies, errors, or slow operations and you think AI can help, let's talk. Connect with me on LinkedIn or Instagram or visit my website. Links are in the description.